guys, come over here. Come and have a look what I've got for you today. So I've got a chicken leek and cream cheese dish. Now, you can make this up as a pie if you like, but I'm just going to be using the 2 potatoes that I bought as little potatoes done in the air fryer. Now, I bought the mustard because I didn't have any in my store cupboard. So the mustard was 65p. You might already have it. So this is whole grain. The baked potatoes were 24p each. So I've got 2 of them. The soft cheese, I've got just the plain one today. That was 85p. The chicken fillets were £2.29 and the leeks were £1.39. So all in all, £5.66 from this dish. And all the products here were from Aldi. Now, I've had the potatoes in the microwave. 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other, just to soften them up because it makes it so much easier. Get those into the air fryer dish like so. Just give them a little squirt of oil. And I'm going to put some chicken seasoning on these. Give them a shake and they're going to go into the air fryer on 180 for 20 minutes. So that's while I do this here. I'm going to put that on 1 second. So the leeks now go into a hot oiled pan. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? So they've browned off enough now. Going to add the chicken. Add all the chicken in. Give that a stir. And then I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. Any chicken seasoning you like. I'm going to add garlic to mine. And also some mixed herbs. Give that a stir. And I'm going to add in 1 big small spoon of whole grain mustard. And give that a good stir. And let that chicken cook off. So that's cooked off lovely now. I'm just going to add the cream cheese. Get that all in. You could use the one with garlic or the reduced one if you like. It's totally up to you. Get that all in. Give that a good stir. Incorporate it all together. And we're going to pop the lid on and just let that simmer whilst the potatoes are still cooking. So that's great. And let me just tell you now, so now this is cooking off now, give it another 10 minutes with the lid on simmer. You could always put this in a casserole dish with like mashed potato on top or some pastry on the top as well. So that could be a perfect pie filling. We're going to have it with potatoes. There we go, lid on and just 10 minutes on simmer. And that is ready to serve up. So as you can see, potatoes are lovely and crispy. Like so. A bit more on there. And then the mixture here, oh, I've already tried it. It tastes beautiful. So we're going to get that onto the side. Like I say, you could have this with mash, chips, whatever you fancy. And all the ingredients were from Aldi at the price of £5.66. So all that's left to do is try it. And it is gorgeous because I have just tried it as well, just to make sure it was all right. Give it a try.